All right, y'all. So we just came from Walmart. We're about to try this Olipop that supposedly tastes like real soda. So this is the Dr. Goodwin. It's supposed to taste like Dr. Pepper. And then we got the orange squeeze, which I'ma assume would taste like orange soda. I don't know if it's gonna be Fanta or Crush, but orange soda. So let's try them.
It smells good.
Smell like Dr. Pepper. It's giving.
Supposed to taste like Crush. I mean, mine tastes a little crushy.
I can see the hope for the future.
Because mine don't got no heavy taste. So you literally got to clear your.
What you mean?
Like, make sure ain't nothing in there. Yours tastes like Dr. Pepper.
Conclusion. It tastes like diet, extra diet Dr. Pepper. So, picture that. It got extra diet on it. It's extra clean. Good morning. It's a new day. I don't know why I just coughed like that. It's a new day, but I just got to school. Y'all, that bed had me in a chokehold. Like, choked. So today is like 70, I think it's supposed to be 79 degrees. So it's already hot outside, which I knew. But I wore like my teddy jacket. It's not that thick, but I still wore it. And then I wore this long sleeve shirt because I refuse for this weather to get me sick again. Just because I think it's going to be one thing and it's not. Let's do an outfit check today. I look a mess because that bed had me in a chokehold. But this is one of my favorite shirts. I got it from a thrift store in the country is what we call it, the country. But it says, without dance, what's the point? And it's spelled like point, like dance point. You get it. You get the vibes. And then I just got on some black leggings and then my boots. So that is what I wore today. Very like, I don't know, it's giving me elementary school teacher. And you know what? That's fine. So, anyways, just getting to school. I was late picking my mom up. Today I was late to work. Yesterday I didn't finish filming because we had teacher work day, optional teacher work day. And when you have optional teacher work days, you can choose to work them from home. And so after I finished, it got super dark. After I finished eating my cereal, I think, I just got on my computer and I like zoned out. I was like into it, zoned out. And so I never picked my camera back up after that. But last night, me and my husband went on a little date night because he was sick last week. So we didn't really get to spend a lot of time together last week. So we did a little date night last night, but all we did was go to one of our favorite Mexican restaurants, ate food and talked. And honestly, intended in my brain, maybe I got pregnancy brain, maybe it's a real thing, but I intended in my brain to bring the camera with me, but I didn't. But I'm kind of glad that I didn't, because I don't know, I had ate my Dove chocolate yesterday, and it said savor the romantic moments or something like that. So this is the cabinet that I write my weekly schedule on. Usually right here on this side I write like what we're doing for the day, but I just wrote what we're doing for the week. This is what I usually use. You see how kids lean on it and mess it up, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, so usually Tuesdays and Thursdays is our rest day. With me being pregnant, and then with the kids being in middle school, they just cannot handle, to me they can't handle doing dance every day. And then when I asked them their opinion, they told me that it was a lot to do dance every single day. So I give them the 2 rest days a week. And then, but this week, because we had the teacher work day yesterday, they didn't have school, so it's going to change a little bit. Tuesday and Thursday are going to be active days. We're going to do focus, we're going to do jazz technique, and then we're going to do a jazz combo. And then my 6th graders are going to do bachata, and then my and then, oh, I forgot. And then Thursday, my 6th grade is going to do cumbia and salsa. So I need to put that up there. And then Wednesday and Friday will be rest days, and they will be doing the Dancer Like Me project. All right, y'all. So it's after school. I have a dentist appointment. Like 20. My dentist is like 20 minutes away from my house, but I have a dentist appointment, so I'm about to run in there really quick. But right beside my dentist is Food Lion, and that's where I'm gonna grab a few groceries after I get out of the dentist. So I will see y'all when I get finished. I'm just going for a regular teeth clean. Hopefully no cavities or anything. We'll see. Alright, y'all, so it's a lot later. I done took a shower and cooked dinner. My baked spaghetti just finished, but I just put the garlic bread in the oven, so I'm waiting for that to get done. And I just got a shower, but I just wanted to pop in really quick to show y'all. I'm trying this soda right here. My husband seen it in the store the other day. He was like, I used to drink that when I was young, my hot Cheetos. And I was like, what is that? I ain't never seen that before. And then my daddy was like, oh yeah, I used to drink that when I was younger. Anyway, so my daddy bought it for me to taste. So I'm about to try it. And yes, I did open it. But then I opened it and was like, oh, I should film me taste testing what this tastes like. So this soda is called Squirt Thirst Quencher. And I feel like that name is inappropriate. That's what throwing me off. And then it's a grapefruit soda, okay? So it smells like, it kind of smells like Sunkist, but then it kind of smells like a 7-Up or a Mountain Dew. It's grown. It's grown. I can rock with it. It's like a good morning. Ooh, I look crazy. My head look crazy. Good morning, y'all. Happy Wednesday. There's no way where for me to sit this camera, but I'm so excited. I got a doctor's appointment this morning, and it's just like I'm excited because the more doctor's appointments I go to, I know I'm getting like closer and closer to my time. So I'm like super excited, but it's just gonna be one of those quick appointments. Well, I don't know how quick it's gonna be, but how does being black compare to being Russian?
We're both not white.
Really?
I put that.
He likes it. That is not funny. She got a what? You got a boyfriend.
Isn't it Jamar? That's hard to believe. Yes.
All right, y'all. So it's later on in the day. Why my neck look rolly? What is going on? It's later on in the day. I just got out of school and then I ran really quick to Joann's because I had to pick up a shirt for my husband. Y'all know I'm always talking about his business, Pure Unity Design. Follow him on Facebook and Instagram. But anyways, I had to pick up a little shirt or whatever for him to finish an order. But I had to open up the camera. I was like, oh my God, I ain't picked up this camera since just morning. My appointment went good. She said that my uterus is in the right place. She said that, you know, his heartbeat sounded good, blah, blah, this, blah, blah, that. And then I had to take a half a day from school because, I don't know, I guess they wouldn't let me come late. But, so I took a half a day for school. And then I went to school, went through school. Y'all probably seen a little clip from there because my 6th and 7th graders are comical, to say the least. They're comical. But anyways, I just finished picking up that shirt from him, and now I feel like I might be finally in my gaining weight phase, or my giving in to my cravings or thoughts phase of pregnancy, because I am in the Wendy's line, and first of all, I'm just thinking to myself, I got a taste for a chicken sandwich. So I was going to get a McChicken, right? And ignore all the noise. That's just roading my car shit. Oh, but I had a taste for a McChicken. And then I was like, but I haven't had a chicken sandwich from Wendy's in a minute. And I used to really, really like their chicken sandwiches because they was always fresh. So we're going to give it a try. And I'm also going to buy my husband one, because if I'm going to be gaining these pounds, we gonna drag him along with us. He going down too, okay? He going down too. But anyway, so I'm about to order. Y'all, I am out of breath, so I finally chose a song. And I pretty much made up like 5-8 counts in 30 minutes. And 5-8 counts is not a lot, but let me go. Boom, boom, pivot, and turn to the back. And that part is really fast. Like as soon as you get out of that pirouette, you're gonna go boom, boom, boom.
Once we can do it, okay. We're eating and watching you. I'm supposed to be finding you, not changing my box. If you never watched you before, then you missing out. If you watched you before, then you know. It's a good show. Over there is the love of my life. Show him. Show me your face. Bounce, jiggle, wow, wow. You sure you read the right story? It's about the kind of love that you... Our first view of me and my new car. Because I'm a mother, okay? And so I got me a SUV. I got 3 rows, so I got a 3rd row, so I'm super excited. I'm not gonna do like a whole tour or anything like that. Just know I've been saving for a while, like literally a while, and I've been looking for over probably about 2 or 3 years, because I like to get a good deal. Anyways, but I got me a little 3rd row Nissan Pathfinder, and I'm super excited about it. So today I'm picking up my mom and my sisters and their girls, and we're just gonna kind of have like a little girls' day. We're gonna do some thrifting, probably get something to eat, and I'm super excited. So I'm picking them up so that they all can pack up in here because they're my girls. We're missing Serenity though. So hopefully Serenity will be joining us or joining me tomorrow, which is Sunday. If she's not busy, I'm going to pick her up so that she can take a new ride in my mom whip, because I'm a mother first. I'm just playing, but I am. Anyways, so this is what it looks like in the inside. It's just all black leather color, and then I'll show y'all the outside really quick. It need a wash because I haven't had a chance to wash it yet. This is what it looks like.
Hey everyone! My name is Dallas.
What else you got to say? What'd you say?
And I got a little sister. Her name is Denver.
No pictures, please. No pictures, please.
No, we got to go to the thrift store.
Tell Chiya that I'm getting ready to get some dirt ball.
There you go.
Tell her to ask her husband to come up here and aerate and put.
Ignore any mess in the background, but this, I got this roller. Y'all can't even see it. It's the Even Flow scroller. I got it from the thrift. It's super cute, and it's the one that grow with them, so you can, like, you know, make it sit up so that they can sit up or lay all the way back. I love it. I got it. Now I'm gonna show y'all like the other items that I got. Alright, y'all, so for clothing, I'm talking to my camera just in case you was thinking. I got this jacket because it goes with some pants that I have, and I just never was able to get the jacket, so I got the jacket. Then I got this Champs long sleeve, like stripe, kind of like pullover t-shirt situation going on, but I thought this would be really cute with like either gray tights or gray biker shorts with like some high top like white Vans that I already have. And then I got this for me. It's just a little graphic Speed 89 shirt. That'd be cute with some biker shorts over the summer. And then all the rest of the stuff I got, of course, is for the baby. So I got this jumper, and it has little dinosaurs on it. Since he's gonna be a summer baby, he needs all the summer clothes he can get. Then, that later, then I just bought this navy blue onesie just to go under that, which he can wear a white onesie under it too, but I just bought that. Then I bought this. It is football and it says property of mommy. It's just a little vest. Then of course, because this is a Cowboys house, I got him this little Cowboys onesie. Look at that. Look how cute that is. I can see me now. See me now. See me now. I'm ready. Anyways, and then I got me one little cringy beach summer outfit that I think is just so adorable. Right here, it has a little sailboat on it and a little hood. I call it cringy because sometimes for boy outfits they have too much going on, but this one I really like how everything came together in it. Then I just got him some khaki shorts. I got him like a cream tan color tank, some brown sweatpants, and some light blue like church khaki pants because he's gonna be a man of God. And then last but not least, I couldn't leave this, even though I don't know, might be too much to buy him 6 months already, but look at this. Can you see him in this? Fire, fire, fire. So that's all I got from the thrift store. Now I'm about to go lay down and take a nap because, as y'all seen 5 clips back, I was up at like 3-4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, pregnancy insomnia is a real thing. Not for everybody, but for me it's a real thing. And I'm struggling because I only get maybe like 3 nights of like solid rest. The rest of the time it's like, ooh, that was pretty decent. I'll take what I get. I can take what I get. That felt good. And other nights it's like I'm up the entire night. My eyes getting dark around it. Help me. Pray for me. Alright, y'all. So happy Sunday. So happy Sunday. I don't know why I did that. Happy Sunday. I just got back from church. I'm out of breath. I just got back from church, and now I'm about to clean the kitchen because I cooked some pancakes. I cooked breakfast this morning. I didn't show y'all, but I cooked breakfast this morning before we went to church. But then we was being a little tardy, so I had to leave the dishes. So I'm about to do the dishes and kind of just wipe down and clean up the kitchen. So I thought I would talk to y'all while I do that, to kind of wrap up this vlog. As of right now, while I'm speaking to y'all, I don't know if I'm going to leave out Monday through Wednesday and then only show y'all Thursday through Sunday. We'll see. I'm out of breath. Okay. Thursday through Sunday, we'll see. But something that I wanted y'all to see in this vlog and take from this vlog is that God is good. Okay. Like I said on my last video, I definitely said, like, letting y'all know, like, hey, I know my life will be beautiful again. And that wasn't to say when everything is perfect. That wasn't to say when all my fears was gone. That was to say when I fully trust God and I fully rely on God, and my emotions and feelings were not, I necessarily say, out of the way, but I put my feelings and my emotions in God's hands, right? For God to take control of. Today, the pastor was talking about Jesus is the light. And, like, that rings true for me. Like, Jesus is the light. Because without him, like, whoo, I wouldn't be able to see. I wouldn't be able to see a lot of things. And I would be so blinded to what his purpose it was or is. I would be so blinded to just what other people are feeling or what other people are thinking. I would be blind to my own issues. I would be blind to how I'm feeling. I would be blind into how to treat others. Like, without God, I wouldn't be able to see a lot of things. And the way that I've had to literally lean mentally, emotionally, and physically on God through this pregnancy, y'all, next week I will be 6 months. And whoo, I'm telling y'all, I could cry because, like, the level of fear, the level of anxiety, the level of thinking that, like, whoo, like, was I gonna be like, oh my God, y'all just don't even understand. Like, was I going to be able to bring life into this world? The way that controlled me in 2022, whew, to make it to 6 months is wild for me. It's really wild for me. And the way that I've had to, like, literally be like, God, you promised me this. Oh, I'm telling y'all, it's not nothing that he can't do. There's nothing that he can't conquer. if you let him lead you, if you let him be the light of your life, if you let him be the center of your joy, the center of your purpose, and all that. And I'm like, God, you designed me to be a mother. Like, I already know. Like, I have that in my being to do. And so, he's just so great. And then I know that it might be like, oh, you saying that because now you done got to this moment or this point. But I literally spoke that when 2 weeks after my miscarriage, I spoke that, like, God, I know what God designed for me. I know God promised me and my husband unity. He promised us family. And the way that I've seen God move within my family, even outside of my pregnancy, but just move within our family, our blended family, has been amazing. And I've already talked 5 minutes, and I haven't even did any dishes. So let's do a little dishes before I continue. Alright, y'all. I'm tired. That's it. That's the post. Comment down below if you feel like my face is starting to get fat. Because I've been looking at myself today and I'm like, it look like I'm getting some extra juiciness going on here. Anyways, I'm going to end the video here because I'm tired and I'm about to fold clothes, but after that, I think I'm going to edit this video and get it uploaded. And then I think I'm just going to relax and chill for the rest of the day. So, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap that notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl upload. And remember, be humble, be inspiring, be kind, y'all. And don't forget to shine. I don't know why I just did that. Period. Anyways, and don't forget to shine. I see y'all on the next one. Peace. Bye.